This is Patrice. He is currently looking to buy a rock. Because he has never bought a rock before, Patrice decides to ask his friend Robert for help. Robert knows quite a bit about shopping, so the first thing he asks Patrice to consider is if he should really spend his money at all. To help him answer, Robert poses 3 questions. Does he even need this? Is it worth the time he spent to make the money to pay for it? And is there a better use for his money right now? Because Patrice is currently living in Robert's basement, they both decide he needs his own rock to live under. A rock will also be a solid investment for Patrice, so he decides it's worth his time. Finally, while Patrice could use his money to buy a Nintendo Switch or a limited edition figurine, he decides a nice, homely rock is more important. Next, Robert recommends that Patrice determine his budget and decide what he's looking for. With his income from Red Lobster and his current savings, Patrice concludes that he has a budget of $30 to buy a rock. Additionally, Patrice has 2 things that he wants his rock to have. First, he wants it to be cheap to clean and maintain, and second, he wants it to be move-in ready. Since he has finished answering all of these questions, Patrice is finally ready to start shopping. After a bit of searching, Patrice finds 3 rocks that he is interested in, but still can't seem to choose one. Robert notices that Patrice is having trouble and decides to introduce him to comparative shopping. Comparative shopping, he says, is a shopping technique that involves looking at the prices and features of different brands and stores that sell the same product to see which best fits the consumer's budget and wants. To do this, Patrice will need to examine and compare the 3 rocks. The first is a limestone rock in a trafficky neighborhood that has 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and is move-in ready. It will cost $15 to buy the rock and 50 cents per month to clean and maintain it. The second is a granite cobble in a family neighborhood that has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and requires $3 and 4 weeks for renovations. It will cost Patrice $20 to buy and $1 per month to clean and maintain. The third is a Gucci rock in a rich suburb outside of the city that has 10 bedrooms, 7.5 bathrooms, and requires no renovations. It will cost $400 to buy and $30 per month to clean and maintain. Which rock do you think Patrice should buy?